guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find a Bluetooth accessory on the OPPO F23. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm only starting from the simplest way, just restart. So you can try to restart your Bluetooth connection by opening the settings, choose the Bluetooth and just switch it off and switch it on again. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and volume up, and now just swipe to the restart. A little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it will work. So at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated party mode. How to do it? You will find the manual at your device or maybe on your YouTube channel. And you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for the devices, but if it's still not for your phone, just go to the additional settings and now slowly swipe down to the reset. Choose the reset phone and tap on the reset network settings. So you can see the Bluetooth is included here, so just enter your pattern and tap on the reset network settings. After that, look for the device again. You can also try to update your system. How to do it? Go back to the settings, choose the About device and choose the Color OS. If you have any updates, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory in your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.